Welcome to a snippet of our Core Banking Observability package. To see more, contact us at ITRSGroup.com. In this video, we show you what happens when a lock collision occurs in your core banking platform. We will start by taking a look at a healthy and performant core banking platform. I can see in my end-to-end overview dashboard every component that makes up my platform, and everything looks fine. Banking services has just gone red. I can see I have a status error in this part of my platform. I get peace of mind from seeing that nothing else in my platform has been affected yet. Let's go and have a look for further information. I can see I have 8 log alerts in my 24.log. Note my log monitoring covers the database, runtime, EJB, MDB, and locking files, in addition to other less important files, which we have grouped into an Other Files icon. Once again, everything else in my platform dashboard is up. Let's drill down further into the file alerts. I can see I have a number of log collisions. Let's look at this file entry to see what triggered the alert. I can see the contents of my file with the line of the alert highlighted in blue for easy visibility. Here I can see my inputter and the lock collision information with a payment order. Everything you have seen here is real-time and can be fed to our notification, action, and analytic engines. Thanks for the time.